Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to drive on the Melrose Hill bypass and look at the construction that's going on. Now if you turn right here, you go over the Melrose Hill itself. But it's a very narrow and winding road, so this bypass was built, and this is the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, the reason why construction is going on is because Highway 2000 is being extended from Maypen to Mandeville, and that highway is going to merge or run along the alignment of the Melrose Hill bypass. So there you can see, well, actually we're going over one of the new sections of the highway now, Melrose Hill bypass. So on the left now of where we are is where Highway 2000 is being built. It's going to come and merge with or run alongside the Melrose Hill bypass. Now it's important to point out that, I don't know if this is a two-lane, probably not a two-lane road. It's important to point out that the Melrose Hill bypass, okay, let me just stop here and show you guys what's going on. So that's the Melrose Hill bypass. Down there you can see the construction. So this is where Highway 2000 is going to come out and merge with the Melrose Hill bypass, and then it will run. Highway 2000 will then run along the alignment of the Melrose Hill bypass until it ends in Williamsfield. Now it's important to point out that when the highway gets to the Melrose Hill bypass, it won't be a toll road. So you don't have to pay toll to drive on the Melrose Hill bypass. That part of the road will still be free. You don't have to pay toll to drive on that part of the highway. It was originally said that the Melrose Hill bypass would be converted to be a part of Highway 2000, but the government came out and said that section, the Melrose Hill bypass, will still be free and you don't have to pay to use it. So the highway is going to run alongside the Melrose Hill bypass. So that's the bypass on the left. This is the highway on the right. Okay, so now we're going to, as you can see, the construction is still going on. We're going to go back onto the road, but the highway would continue straight along this side of the road. And the highway will run all the way up to the Williamsfield roundabout. So this is the construction going on the Melrose Hill bypass. So this section now, the highway is going to run on the left